Are you tired of constantly chasing after women only to feel ignored or overlooked? Well, what if I told you that with a few simple mindset shifts, rooted in Stoic philosophy and backed by female psychology, you could make any woman chase you, even if she wasn't initially interested? In this video, we'll dive deep into the psychological triggers that spark attraction, how to leverage the power of detachment, and why the Stoic approach makes you irresistible. Stick around, because by the end you'll know exactly how to make her chase you while staying grounded in your own value. The power of perceived value. First things first, value. Women are naturally drawn to men who project high value, but this isn't about money, looks, or status. It's about how you carry yourself. According to female psychology, women are wired to seek out men who display confidence and self-assurance. This is where Stoicism comes into play. Stoics teach us that our worth isn't determined by external validation, but by how we perceive ourselves. When you adopt this mindset, you exude a calm, unshakable presence. You stop chasing and instead you attract. And guess what? Women notice. The art of detachment. Next up, let's talk about detachment. Women are drawn to mystery, and nothing creates more intrigue than a man who isn't desperate for their attention. Psychologists call this the scarcity principle. The less available you are, the more desirable you become. But here's the key. Your detachment must be genuine. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and release attachment to outcomes. When you're genuinely detached from needing her validation, you'll naturally pull her in. She'll start wondering, why isn't he chasing me? And that's when the tables turn. Please skip the next section. This contains dire warnings. Women respect men who challenge them, not in a confrontational way, but intellectually and emotionally. Studies show that women are more attracted to men who stimulate their minds. This ties directly into Stoic philosophy. Engage with women as equals, challenge their ideas, and respect their autonomy. When you offer respectful challenges, you ignite curiosity and admiration. Suddenly, she's chasing you, eager to learn more. Nonverbal communication. Now, let's touch on nonverbal cues. Your body language speaks louder than words. Confidence is conveyed through posture, eye contact, and a calm demeanor. Stoics teach us to remain composed, no matter the situation. This quiet strength is magnetic and leaves a lasting impression. So next time you're around her, focus on how you carry yourself. Speak less, observe more. Let your actions, not your words, do the talking. The importance of purpose. Lastly, nothing is more attractive than a man on a mission. Women chase men who have a clear sense of purpose. When you're driven by your goals, you naturally emit passion and confidence. Stoicism reminds us to stay committed to our personal growth and purpose. This commitment is irresistible. Focus on your purpose and she'll notice your passion. The chase will begin, but this time it's her chasing you. So if you want to make any woman chase you, remember, embrace your value, master detachment, challenge respectfully, communicate through action, and stay focused on your purpose. You've probably heard the saying, chase her and she'll run, ignore her and she'll chase. But why does this work? It's not magic, it's psychology. And when you combine this with the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, you become a man who doesn't just attract attention, but commands it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make any woman instantly chase you, even if she wasn't interested at first. We'll break down the psychological triggers that drive female attraction, the Stoic principles that make you stand out, and practical strategies to make her obsessed with you. Trust me, by the end, you'll walk away with a new mindset and a new strategy. Let's jump in. Why women chase what they can't have. Have you ever noticed how people value what's scarce? This is especially true when it comes to relationships. The moment you make yourself too available, you lose that air of mystery. But when you pull back, suddenly you become irresistible. This ties directly into the law of scarcity, a psychological principle where perceived rarity increases value. Women are hardwired to chase what feels out of reach, but this isn't about playing games. It's about shifting your mindset from seeking approval to knowing your worth. Stoicism teaches us that we should focus on controlling our internal world, not external validation. When you truly embody this, your presence becomes rare, because confidence grounded in inner peace is rare. The Stoic mastery of emotions. Emotional control is one of the biggest attractions in any relationship dynamic. Think about it. How often have you seen someone lose interest because the other person is too reactive? Women admire emotional stability. Female psychology shows that emotional control signals strength, maturity, and leadership. Stoicism helps you master your emotions by teaching you to respond, not react. When she tests you, and trust me, she will, how you handle it can make or break her perception of you. Stay calm, stay composed, and she'll realize you're not like the others. You're a man who's in control, and that's something she can't resist. Triggering attraction through curiosity. Curiosity is a powerful trigger in human psychology. When a woman can't figure you out, she's compelled to learn more. But how do you create this dynamic? One word: ambiguity. Don't lay all your cards on the table. Stoics believe in speaking only when necessary, valuing words over volume. By sharing just enough about yourself to spark interest, you leave her wanting more. For example, instead of oversharing about your personal life, offer just a glimpse. Let her be curious. Let her chase the answers. This keeps the interaction dynamic and leaves her thinking about you long after you've left the room. High-value communication. Communication isn't just about words. It's about the energy behind them. When you speak with purpose and confidence, your words carry weight. Here's the trick: slow down. Men who rush their words often come across as nervous or unsure, but when you speak slowly, deliberately, and confidently, you command attention. Women pick up on this subtle display of dominance, and it makes you instantly more attractive. Stoics teach us to practice self-restraint and thoughtfulness in speech. So next time you're talking to her, don't rush. Let your words breathe. Let her hang on to every one of them. Building a life of purpose. If there's one thing women find universally attractive, it's a man with purpose. When you have a mission, you radiate passion and determination, and that's something no one can fake. Female psychology reveals that women are naturally drawn to men who are driven. This is where Stoicism's teachings on self-discipline and purpose align perfectly. Your purpose gives you a higher sense of self-worth, and women notice that. Stop making her the center of your universe. Instead, focus on your goals. When you do, she'll chase you because she sees that your life has meaning, with or without her. So, if you want to make a woman chase you, remember, value yourself, stay detached, challenge respectfully, communicate with purpose, and focus on your mission. These principles are timeless and effective because they transform you into a man worth chasing. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for more powerful content like this. And before you go, drop a comment below. What's one Stoic principle that has transformed your relationships? I'd love to hear your thoughts.